tapes, sporting equipment.
You have sporting equipment?
Well, it's a golf ball that my brother threw at my head. You can still feel the dent. It's right next to the hockey puck dent.
Okay, why do you have a bin of pine cones?
I used to collect them as a child. The spiral of scales open in the Fibonacci sequence. A fact that when you tell your brother gets a golf ball thrown at your head.
So, why do you feel you need to save these things?
I'd like to say it's nostalgia, but every time I think of throwing anything away, my ears start to ring and I get butterflies in my stomach. And then it feels like the butterflies get eaten by rats. And then the rats get eaten by...
Okay, I get it.
It ends with dinosaurs. I'm sorry if you think less of me.
I don't.
Really? Because every time I come in here, I think less of me.
Why?
Because I'm a fraud. No, I purport to be a man of the mind. I've been such a vocal champion of the singularity, but how can I leave my body behind and become one with the internet when I've never even thrown a toothbrush away?
It's okay, Sheldon. I've saved a lot of weird things too.
Like what?
Well, did you know I have a microscope slide with a little bit of tissue from the first brain I ever dissected?
I have an old teddy bear I secretly wipe my nose on for years.
It's not a contest.
Okay, here they come.
Go hide.
Oh man, when I come out of the closet, I'm gonna nail those guys!
Yeah, I heard it. Shut up.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey, what's this?
Listen, we did a stupid thing.
We went to a movie and lied about it, but we feel bad and want to make it up to you.
So, these are for you, and if you're not too mad, we'd love to take you guys to dinner.
Yeah, anywhere you want.
Well, thank you for being honest.
Yeah, I want to be upset, but we did kind of have fun working on the prototype.
Don't forgive them, stay mad at them!
What is he doing in there?
Busting you?
It's okay, they apologize.
Yeah, it's fine.
Well, this is kind of anticlimactic.
You know, it wasn't anticlimactic. The end of the movie. Get this.
No spoilers, no spoilers!
And he's back in the closet.
Ready for dinner?
Yeah.
Should we invite Raj?
Yes!
So no one else knows about this?
Only you.
Thank you for trusting me.
What good is having a girlfriend if you can't unload your psychological sewage on her?
That's me, your emotional outhouse. If you ever decide you want to do something about this, I'm here for you.
Thank you. I wouldn't even know how to begin.
Baby steps, I guess.
I suppose I could try getting rid of the golf ball.
Oh, okay.
I will always have the dent to remember it by.
You did it. Do you feel okay?
Actually, yes. I do.